guys, Barbara here. Need to add an image to your sheet? Let's add in the visuals. There are a few ways that you can use images in Google Sheets. You can insert an image into a cell, over a cell, or even insert a Google drawing. Let's have a look. Here I have a spreadsheet that I am using to help remember what the different Chromebook specs are and what each device looks like. Being able to insert images here is useful. In order to insert an image, head to your Insert tab. You will notice that you get two options: to insert in a cell or over a cell. When you choose over a cell, you will be able to choose an image from your Google Drive, upload one from your computer, use your camera, by URL, from Google Photos, or to use Google Image Search. Find the image you want and then choose to insert. You will notice that this image has now been placed on top of this data and I can move it around. If you would like to insert the image into a cell, start by selecting the cell you would like the image to be inserted into and then head to Insert, down to Insert Image and choose to Insert in Cell. You will notice that you have the same options of where you can find your image. Locate the one that you would like to use and then Insert. That image will now be placed inside the cell. You can use your horizontal and vertical alignment tools to choose where it appears in the cell. It's as easy as that.